Data is supplying software to the energy automation industry since the early 90s. The product is called the Zenon Energy Edition. We sell this Energy Edition about 700 times per year, which means that we can look back on an installed basis of 8,000. We know that, for instance, Vattenfall, E.ON, EnBW are using our Energy Edition in their plants, but also EDF, Terna in Italy, for instance, are using it. And zenon is also used in the rest of the world, which means Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines. The role of zenon in the energy automation industry is to be the local control system for high voltage substations, and can be used as a control system or control center for medium voltage grids like municipal power grids. First of all, because it has a lot of integrated communication possibilities just for this industry. For instance, IEC 61850, DMP3, IEC 6870. But it has also other communication possibilities like SNMP and protocols for standard PLCs like for Siemens, Rockwell and Bradley. Additionally, zenon offers an inbuilt command processing feature which interacts with interlocking but also with the protocols like for the select before operate feature. Then zenon offers the topological coloring with added features like fault location and secure supply. And for bigger networks, for bigger grids, zenon offers the worldview possibility where it is possible to show the entire grid with topological coloring and also to pan around or zoom into a certain area of this grid. What we offer regarding smart grids is the smart grid standard IEC 61850 and a pretty easy engineering and maintenance possibility within our HMI SCADA system zenon. We want to strengthen our position in Europe, in Asia, and we want to expand to the North Americas. We will, of course, listen to the customer, and these requirements from these markets will influence the further development of the Zenon Energy Edition. And we want to follow all the new things about smart grid and IEC 61850. HMI systems for local and remote control of substations and electric grids need to fulfill several requirements. Besides communication with the RTUs and other IEDs, like protection relays, the HMI has to offer the ability to perform according to the processes of the utility. In the following, you will see several possibilities of the Zenon Energy Edition. Now we switch to the screen which shows the representation of a high voltage switchyard with a double bus bar. You see several feeders and the status of their disconnectors and circuit breakers. We want now to unpower the feeder London. Therefore, we have to open the circuit breaker Q0. By clicking on the circuit breaker Q0, we see the so-called select arrow showing this tag as selected in the HMI network. With the command processing window, we are able to open the circuit breaker. In order to see the chronology of all events, the system provides the so-called sequence of events list. we can see the timestamps in a resolution of milliseconds. Alarms are shown in the alarm list. The system supports alarm classes, alarm groups, and alarm areas. For large grids, Zenon provides the worldview possibility with station list, panning, zooming, and decluttering. By zooming out, the shape of the switchgear changes. Thus, you have a better glance of the current status. In trend screens, you can see the trend of measured values. These values can also be historic values from the integrated historian. If you want to stay up to date with the latest developments of the Zenon Energy Edition, please subscribe to our newsletter via our website cobadata.com/energy.